Hello, I'm Cathy Tong. I am the Information Manager for the School of Creative Arts and the School of Humanities. This short video is to introduce you to the learning resources and the research support facilities available to you as postgraduate students. I have put together a self-guided activity which will take you through all the basic information about the Learning Resources Centres, as well as take you through the library's Skill Up modules for developing your research skills. I'm going to show you how to access this now. This is the link. So let's go in and have a look. Okay, so this is it. It's available from the online library and then on the research support pages. I have given you some information, as well as created a checklist that you might want to download, as this will help you keep track of your progress, and you can also reflect on your learning. So it starts with some information about the computing and IT facilities available. If you are a postgraduate research student, please read this guide, as it's got important information about your computer accounts. There is a library skill up induction, so this covers basic information about the facilities available in the learning resources centres, such as printing, the sort of help that you can get there, the specialist computing facilities, etc. Now, the bulk of the skills development is done through Library Skill Up, and as you can see here, we've got 4 modules, and I would encourage you to dip in and out of those modules as you need to. We provide help as well, support via chat function, so you will need to click join on the Library Skill Up in order to access the chat function, and my colleagues and I can then answer any queries you may have about your research and how to source the information that you need. We're there Monday to Friday between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. And then the rest of it is more practice for you, highlighting some specific areas such as the subject resources or how to find journal titles, as well as how to get help. Okay, so I'm just going to go back now to the PowerPoint presentations, as I would like to highlight some resources that I think could be relevant to you. So first of all, although most of our journals are available online, there are also some print magazines in the LRCs that are relevant for creative art students, and these are some of the titles. Although covered in Library Skill Up, more information about finding theses. So first of all, at the university, we keep theses from Masters of Research and PhD students. And to access these, you do a search on the online library. Please use the filtering option by content for dissertations, and then you will see all the dissertations available at Hertfordshire. So some of them are available online, and others may be available from the stacks, for which you'll have to complete a stack retrieval form. There are also other services, such as the British Library's digitisation programme, Ethos, and as well as other services, and this link there will show you what is available. As a postgraduate student, you will make use of the interlibrary loan service. So if you have found something that is not available at the university, then you will need to place a request for items not held at UH. If it is a journal article, this will be sourced from the British Library for you, and it will be available as an e-journal article. If it is a book, then this will be delivered to the library as a print book, and you'll be contacted to come and collect it. And this is where you can access it from. Please look beyond the University of Hertfordshire. I've listed a couple of services here. There isn't one single catalogue that will search all the academic libraries' catalogues, but this is very much the JISC Library Hub Discover is fairly close to it. It also includes specialist libraries. And Search 25 is a similar thing but focuses on the academic libraries within the M25 area as well as the southeast of England. A few other specialist libraries that you might want to explore, as well as your public library. Do not forget your public library. So I've put a link to Hertfordshire libraries if you are a resident or if you are temporarily living in Hertfordshire, then you can just register online, and they have got great resources that would complement some of the resources available at the university. So you've got a link here as well on how to access them. Now, something about managing your references. It is really important that you spend a bit of time looking at some of the reference management software available. There are a number of them, such as EndNote, Mendeley, RefWorks and Zotero, as well as others. There isn't a specific one that we recommend at the university, so spend a bit of time researching it. We do have information about them, but they all work pretty much in the same way. They enable you to collect references and to import them directly into what would in effect become your own personal database of references and images and PDFs as well as links. And then finally, and the great thing about it is that when you are writing, you can pull those references into Word and you can format them according to the style required. So this is it really. Although this may be short, there is quite a bit to complete. So please remember to go to StudyNet Online Library, the Research Toolkit, and look at the Getting Started section. And if you do have any queries or you would like to meet with me on a one-to-one basis, I can set up an appointment with you via MS Teams, and we can look at how to source some specific material for you. So I hope we get to meet sometimes, and good luck with your research.